Hello, this video will cover the newest features available in the November 2022 release of XMS Cloud. The November 2022 release of XMS Cloud is now available. This new release includes support for assigning users to specific Microsoft Active Directory groups using the EasyPass onboarding portal. It also includes new custom alerts for client counts, the ability to add CLI snippets for switches in a network profile or template, and 2 new command center charts. To create an EasyPass onboarding portal with Microsoft Azure, go to EasyPass, New Portal, Onboarding, and give the new portal a name, and click Create. On the General page, go to the Self-Onboarding section and select Yes to Do you want to enable self-onboarding? When you enable self-onboarding, you are allowing clients to register on an open SSID to receive a user pre-shared key, which can be used to connect to a secure SSID. First, you will need to select the registration ID. This is the SSID that will allow the client to authenticate to the network using his Microsoft Azure credentials. Move the Azure SSID over to the BCU section and click Select. Next, select the network SSID. This is the SSID that connects to the company network. Move the company SSID over to the BCU onboarding portal section and click Select. Once the client has successfully logged in using his Azure credentials, the system will auto-generate a user pre-shared key, and the client will then be able to log into the company network using that user pre-shared key. Select Azure for the authentication type. You will need to use your Azure Administrator credentials to authorize the portal to integrate with your Azure environment. Click Authorize. And then click the Have an Admin Account, Sign in with that account link. And then enter your Azure admin credentials and click Sign in. Select Yes in the Would you like to restrict access to specific groups section, and then enter the Active Directory groups one at a time and click Add. And then click Save All. Now, when a client logs into the Azure portal successfully, the system will send an automated email with a user pre-shared key that will be used to log in to the company network. Once the client successfully logs into the network using the user pre-shared key, they will be placed in the proper Active Directory group in XMS Cloud. When a certain number of client devices connecting to a single AP or a number of APs is reached, XMS Cloud provides a custom alert with a configurable threshold that, when met, will generate an alert on the Alerts page. There are several ways to configure the thresholds for the alerts. The first is to go to the My Network, Alerts, Custom Alerts page and click the New Alert Definition button. Next to the Alert Type field, click the drop-down arrow and select Client Count. Select whether you will create the custom alert for a single AP or the sum of multiple APs. The alert can be configured as low, medium, or high severity. Under the Filter field, you can select all devices or filter by the APs in a profile, a group, or an SSID. Then set the threshold for when an alert is generated. You can also create an alert by going to the Clients Over Time widget on the dashboard and clicking on a data point in the graph. This will open the Custom Alerts page where you can create the custom alert. When a feature is not available in XMS Cloud but resides in the OS, you are able to use the snippet tool to add the CLI commands to the profile or template so that the features are enabled and configured on the device when the device is added to the profile. XMS Cloud provides the snippet tool for CN Matrix switch configuration in both the Profiles Switches page and in the Profiles Templates Switches page. When you make changes to the existing switch templates or create a new switch template, XMS Cloud allows you to push the templates in bulk to multiple profiles at the same time. To push a switch template to multiple profiles, go to Profiles, Templates. Select the template you want to push and click the Update Profiles button. Select the profiles to be updated and click the Update Profiles Now button. MSPs using XMS Cloud Command Center can easily display which of their managed accounts are generating the most traffic and which managed accounts have the highest number of client devices. XMS Cloud Command Center includes two new charts designed to identify the top domains by AP usage and the top domains by client count. To access the two new charts, go to your Command Center account and to the Overview page. Click the Add Widget button, select the two new charts, Top Domains by Client Count and Top Domains by AP Usage, and click the Add button. Okay, this concludes this video highlighting the latest features available in the November 2022 release of XMS Cloud. Thank you for your time and have a great day.